That's a fat river smallmouth. Holy cow. Alright, we are almost to water. I was looking at it before. We were at the art museum and I just was looking at the river flowing by. It's cleared up a little bit, so I figured, hey, I got my poles. My buddy had to go do some stuff with his family, so I got some free time to fish. First lure I have on is this little soft plastic crayfish, Texas rigged, a little jig head. This is mainly a smallmouth river. You'll catch northerns too. Every once in a while you get a largemouth, but it's really the smallmouth river. Ooh, this has awesome action. And the red flake in it looks perfect because they sometimes get that orangish hue to them. Awesome. Actually looks really good underwater. Place for this water is a shallow diving squarebill. Also crawfish styled pattern. I like this one a lot. They'll dive to about, it says 3 to 4, but if you cast it or real nice and slow, it dives about 1.5 feet. I'm trying to stay in the more slack area. The middle of this area right here seems to be more slack because it's maybe about 3 to 3.5 feet deep, whereas the edges are about 1.5 feet, so the current is running faster along the edges. See if we can't find some more slackish water. Ooh, it's honestly really slack right here. Pitch into the bushes a little. Ooh, not that much into the bushes. Oh, fish went at it. Did you see that? Oh, there's a fishy there. Lead it up a little. Oh, goodness, there's a nice fish right there. Alright, this is gonna be the money bait. This water's much more calm up here. Ooh, about to get a hit. I was getting followed. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a really little bass. Oh, there's one over here too. These shallows. Alright, I don't know, maybe they're just hitting the jig today. I've had 1 or 2 follow-ups, little guys, little 8-9 inch smallmouth. Neither of them hit it. They followed it, but I don't know. Maybe it's just a jig day. Guess we're gonna find out. Pretty still vortex right here. Oh, right where I wanted it. I was on the other side one time and I was right there and I caught a fish. God. My drag was way awful right there. There's actually a fish on too. How neat was that? Alright, square bill first. Last time I was here I caught one right off of this point. Right behind these rocks. So, I'm gonna fish past him a few times. Nothing in here, eh? Oh! Spoke too soon, I guess, eh? Outcropping with slack water behind it. Oh, did you see that? Why are they missing it? Goodness. That was perfect. Oh, I just saw a few. They just took off really quick. Wow, so I spooked them. Yeah, they're just chilling. Yeah, so I don't even know if I was filming that smallmouth that I just caught. I could have swore I was, and did the release and everything, and I don't think I was recording. So that's glorious. The one bass I've landed successfully today. Didn't even get on camera for y'all. That's how it goes sometimes. Jeez, what is all this crap in the water? I'm about to like grab this. Road thing. It's probably great to have in the water. There's a big crayfish too. Gotcha. Scared the hell out of him. It's like, oh my god, what do I do? He's like clipping his own arm. Alright, see ya. I was not recording. This is a giant river smallmouth. Oh, he's got that dark patch on his head. That's what I saw under. I didn't get that. I was figure eighting right above him, and he smashed it. Oh my goodness. That is a huge river smallmouth. It's like 17, 18 inches, 3 pounds. I've never caught one this big on the river before. Never. Wow. That thing's huge. I'm gonna bring them over here. Oh. Just caught this beast of a river smallmouth. Very fat fish. Oh. I was figure eighting all above the water here. I thought I could have swore I had my camera on. It must have been getting low and turned off on me. And he crushed it right by the water. I'm so mad I didn't get that on footage for you guys, but there he is. Big fatty. What a chunk. Alright, we're gonna let him go. That's a fat river smallmouth. Holy cow. Alright. I'll be filming. That was sick. Woo! Nothing. That's how we're gonna end it. Thank y'all for tuning in. That was a fun adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Please tune in for the next adventure. And be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below. And as always, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.